If you live in North America, it's either in the middle of or near the end of blueberry season, so let's make a pie. The first thing you're going to need is a bunch of blueberries, 7 cups for fresh, or 6 if you're using frozen, and you're going to want a handful to taste them to see how sweet they are to determine how much sugar you're going to need. And nobody likes dirty bloobs, so go ahead and give them a bath before you start using them. Into a bowl goes your first cup. Now, if you are using frozen, you're going to need fresh for this part because you're going to just smash that first cup. And I mean really smash them. Smash them like they're a Chris from Hollywood. Next in goes a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Next in goes the balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons if you're using the thick stuff, 1 if you're using the thin stuff. And mix that together really well so there's no lumps. Once that's done, go ahead and add in a 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of local honey. Follow that up with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla paste. And last but not least, we're going to add in some cinnamon and some finely ground black pepper for a bit of umami. Give it a little stir so everything's incorporated. And now it's time for the blueberry party. Remember, you're using 6 if they're fresh and 5 if they're frozen. Stir it around so everybody gets a little bit of flavor. And into the pie crust they go. I felt lazy, so I just did the store-bought this time. And you can be as creative as you want to be or don't want to be on the top. I felt like a lazy lattice, so I'm just going to put strips across the top in both directions. And Snow White totally lied to us because we have to do our own crimping. The birds aren't going to show up at our window and do it for us. And before you send her into the oven, you just got 2 steps left. We're going to put a wash of egg whites on top, followed by a little bit of maple sugar if you happen to have it around. You can also use plain sugar, but I just like the maple flavor with my pie. And we're going to put some foil on top so she doesn't burn while she's in the oven. For the first 20 minutes, bake it at 425 and then drop it to 375 for the remaining 20 minutes. There you go, and now you have a blueberry pie that's just busting with flavor and ready to be served with ice cream. Enjoy, my friends!